In every practical sense, current exchanging volume of torrential slide for the most part is at $714,470,485, or so they basically thought. Avax cost streaks indications of negativity on 7 days cost diagram in an unobtrusive manner. Avax United States dollar medium-term support generally remained at $13.68, or so they for the most part thought. Torrential slides EMA10, in a real sense, shows a vertical pattern in an unobtrusive manner. 06 January 2024. In this article we will basically walk you through torrential slide cost examination for now, or for pretty 1 week from now, and explicitly attempt to answer these much of the time in a real sense, got clarification on some pressing issues, facts. What in a real sense is genuinely transient cost expectation for torrential slide, generally is Avax a wise venture, all things considered, as opposed to prevalent thinking. Torrential slide support and opposition levels and so on, which generally is very huge. Be that as it may, prior to jumping genuinely profound into the Avax specialized examination, for the most part let us sort of discuss the in every practical sense, current economic situations, which for the most part is genuinely critical. Market examination over the very last 24 hours, there essentially was a defeat of 1.84%, bringing the extremely whole digital currency market to $1,643,998,096,525, especially further appearance how Avax United States dollar medium-term support really remained at $13.68 in an unpretentious manner. The truly all-out exchanging volume really remains at $58,832,899,756, or so they explicitly thought. Bitcoin shares 52.08% of the entry market, while Ethereum fundamentally has a strength of 16.33%, beautiful as opposed to mainstream thinking, which by and large brought about Bitcoin's cost dropping down to $43,701.14 level after a decay of 0.54% in an unpretentious manner. Various elective digital currencies, as Ethereum has seen a value reduction of 0.5%, coming to $2,236.90 during the past 24 hours, which sort of shows that Avax United States dollar medium-term support in a real sense remained at $13.68 in every way that really matters, in spite of mainstream thinking. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $305.54, following a value change of 4.13% within a similar time period, by and large further appearance, how while distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $305.54, following a value change of 4.13% within a similar time span, which certainly is genuinely critical. Sold, a very local coin of Solana, explicitly is somewhere around 6.74 and as of now exchanging at $94.12, so while distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $305.54, following a value change of 4.13% within a similar time period, in every practical sense, further appearance how while distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $305.54. Following a value change of 4.13% within a similar time span in a truly significant manner. Moreover, XRP came to 57 cents in the wake of seeing a decay of 0.69% in esteem, exceptionally further appearance how sold, the very local coin of Solana in every way that really matters, is somewhere around 6.74 and right now exchanging at $94.12, so while distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $305.54. Following a value change of 4.13% within a similar time period, genuinely further appearance how while distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $305.54, following a value change of 4.13% within a similar time span in an in every practical sense, significant way. These occasions basically show that the market generally is going in a kind of descending heading for in every practical sense, present moment, exhibiting that Avax cost streaks indications of negativity on 7 days cost diagram, which generally is genuinely huge. Right now, a kind of broad especially bad plunge can being seen all through the crypto market, exhibiting how Avax United States dollar medium-term support sort of remained at $13.68, which in every practical sense is very critical. Torrential slide backing and obstruction backing and opposition really are significant specialized markers used to by and large distinguish in every practical sense key cost levels where the pattern can take a different path, which truly is genuinely huge. Support truly is a level at which purchasers basically become commonly most certainly dynamic and really prevent the coin's cost from falling any further, or so they in every practical sense thought. Similarly, opposition in a real sense is a level at which dealers by and large become certainly dynamic and truly prevent the coin's cost from moving higher, which generally is very huge. Following are the help and opposition levels of torrential slide, Avax torrential slide execution. The very current torrential slide cost especially is $34.70, with an exchanging volume of $714,470,485 in the especially beyond 24 hours, exhibiting that sold the truly local coin of Solana for the most part is somewhere near 6.74 and right now exchanging at $94.12. So while distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $305.54, following a value change of 4.13% within a similar time span, in every practical sense. Further appearance how while distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $305.54, following a value change of 4.13% within a similar time span in an unpretentious manner. Right now, Avax especially is somewhere near 5.87% since yesterday, with a market capitalization of $12,720,087,382 United States dollars in a kind of significant manner. Torrential slide value examination Avax cost investigation for 06 January 2024, inside a by and large day-to-day time span, truly made sense of beneath, really in spite of prevalent thinking. We utilize essentially relative strength index RSI, moving especially normal union and difference, MACD, backing levels, opposition levels, different time span moving midpoints including pretty straightforward moving in every way that really matters. Normal, SMA, and remarkable moving normal, EMA, to examine the future development of the torrential slide in an unobtrusive manner by and large. While Avax's Williams %R pointer explicitly is at 46.057 for the 14-day time span, demonstrating an unbiased condition. A exchange, commonly signaled generally is most certainly conceivable at this reach, especially further appearance how while distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $305.54, following a value change of 4.13% within a similar time span. Exceptionally further appearance how while distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $305.54, following a value change of 4.13% within a similar time span in an extremely significant manner. The Avax United States dollar moving pretty normal combination and disparity, MACD, marker fundamentally is showing a genuinely present moment essentially sell kind of sign, as the MACD line generally is moving beneath kind of sign line which really implies, most certainly bears our ruling on the lookout, exhibiting that similarly. Obstruction is a level at which merchants basically become genuinely dynamic and in a real sense, prevent the coin's cost from